Greetings, from JKITCDO.
Good morning.
Dear husband, why so sorrow and strenuous good morning?
I am too much stressed out. It seems monotonous work. No add-in value to my career. Seems like just working for salary and effort that has been put for my academics, trainings and certifications carries no value. I feel like breaking bindings. I am looking for new job, but challenge is I cannot expect job satisfaction over there as well. I may get hike in salary, but again it's not perfect decision for stability or security.
I have a suggestion. Why don't you try Innovaner's upcoming session on design thinking and traits of leadership? They've carefully designed courses to ensure that participants not only acquire a profound understanding of different innovation frameworks and tools but also develop the ability to apply them effectively and autonomously. This will allow them to think innovatively as naturally as a fish swims in water, without relying on external guidance or instruction when they pursue workplace innovation.
Who is Innovaner?
They are practitioners of creative thinking process. They are authors of the Amazon best-selling book on innovation, Think Like an Innovaner. For more you can visit https://www.creativethinking-jkitcdo.com.
Can I trust Innovaner?
Innovaners never make false commitments or promise miraculous achievements. They only request your valuable time for their sessions. Innovaner affirms, the miracle of your achievement will occur through your diligent efforts. Innovaner's mission is to empower individuals who aspire to flourish by fostering creative thinking process. Their goal is to integrate creative thinking throughout various aspects of life, nurturing it as a natural attitude, not merely a procedure. He is practitioner of creative thinking process since decades. He was a coach at organization level, and in recent time he opened his new organization JKITCDO. I have gone through his site and seems he is trying to bring innovation to understand humankind in better way. Even if you don't have trust, you take it as risk, as this risk is smaller in compared to your challenge. Hopefully, the risk taken will turn helpful, acknowledging the challenge.
Thanks. Kindly consider liking and subscribing to explore further about the creative thinking process. Let's stay connected and embark on a journey of learning together, contributing to a more improved and inspiring world. Link for upcoming workshop in description.